Okay, here we are, Christmas morning. Merry Christmas, everyone. The kids are about ready to open up their gifts. So we'll go ahead and check that out here and see what happens. All right, check back in a few. Okay, here we are.
Buksan mo na. Buksan na ba?
Christmas morning. First one to open her gift will be 2-year-old Trisha. There's Mama.
Hi.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to all.
Yeah.
I'm the Santa today.
Oh, Santa Claus.
Yeah.
Little Trisha. Uh-oh. What do we got there? Nice. What do you got? Oh, there you go. Oh, the Christmas girl's got her toy.
Next.
Next, who's next? Kyan?
Ate Alwina. Buksan mo na ate. Upo ka dito. Para ano.
Jam, get out of there. How old is Alwina this Christmas?
She's 10 years old.
10 years old.
And it's her birthday on the 14th this coming
January?
January, yeah.
Uh-oh. Gonna be 11, huh?
Yeah.
Fun.
Nagtatago ng pagkain ng anak ko.
I'm not taking pictures, by the way. I got the video rolling.
Just the video.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I could probably freeze up some of these and make still photos. Freeze frame. What do we got?
Yes. Wait, I have one more.
Oh, you want to? Well, take turn. Well, switch.
Okay, switch. Okay, ate. Your turn.
Geez, I wonder what the next one could be. Kayan is, the other one was 10. We got 2, 10, and 15?
15.
15?
14.
14. Next year, 15?
Yeah.
Okay.
15 si Kuya, no? 17. Ayan,
17? What are you talking about? No.
brother.
Oh, okay.
Go outside, Jem. Go outside. Go outside, baby. Go.
Got the same thing.
Go outside.
So what do we got here anyways? Pencil bags?
Thank you po.
All right, then we'll move on to the next one here. Okay. I won't ask how old this one is.
Wow, thank you very much.
I don't even know what that is. I have no idea.
Secret.
I have no idea. Oh, something, I'm sure I kind of have an idea.
Ay, wow! Merry Christmas! Thank you.
You're welcome. That's all her. I don't know.
Yeah, next.
Which one? Alwina again? Well, while we're waiting, back to Alwina.
Back to Alwina.
Wow.
Patiently waiting. What does Alwina got there? What does Alwina have? Look at she's so
Buksan mo din.
she's so delicate with the unwrapping. Most kids just thrash them.
Ayan, oh. Ano niyo po,
Oh, look at that. Ooh, untape it.
piso-piso.
Help her out, hon. Help her out. Oh, she got it. Okay. How sweet is that, huh? There you go. That's a phyla, huh? Ooh, look at that. Now that's one nice bag. How cool is that? Yeah, she's shy. Okay, next up. Cayenne again.
Ilagay mo muna yung bag mo dito.
Oh, looks pretty similar.
Pagsabali kulay na lang.
Nice. Very nice. You get it open? There we go. I like that color. It's a nice color.
Beautiful Christmas color.
I picked that one. Yeah. Good. I hope you like it. Hope you get some use out of it.
How about this one?
What do we got? Uh-oh.
I have one.
Oh yeah, that's right. They both have stockings. Which one? Are they both the same?
She said her favorite color is violet. So
Really?
yeah.
So I did good?
Yeah.
Awesome.
So this one is actually for, I put here Cayenne and Alwina, but for the whole family, they can use together.
Okay.
Okay? All for hygiene kit.
Well,
Soap,
well, let them-
shampoo.
it's all this. Are they both the same, right?
Yeah.
Pretty much.
the Same.
All right.
So here you are. All
Cool.
for you. Welcome. Merry Christmas. Sila yung mga anak-anak ko eh.
Yeah.
Baby. Wala kay baby.
And then the last thing is in on the bed.
Yeah.
Okay, Mom's got the final.
Yeah.
Eden's got the final
Oh.
gifts.
So this one is for Alwina. And this is for Ate Kayen also. So you can
Yeah.
share some with your auntie.
Those are those are snacks and goodies. Uh-oh, she's not happy. What happened?
Don't cry.
Getting tired? I saw her yawning earlier.
Yeah. Okay, Alwina. This one is for you.
Merry Christmas.
darling. Where's my kiss?
What do we got in there? Let's see.
Chocolate.
Oh man, look at all that. What we got?
Chocolates.
M&Ms.
M&Ms.
These almonds, chocolate covered almonds. Oh, just
Toblerones.
yeah, wow. Yeah.
Also for Ate. Thank you for helping me cook yesterday. She prepared that vegetable for the pancit.
Oh yeah.
And Alwina is the one who go with me for delivering the food that they order.
Yep.
Thank you, Ate.
Go ahead and rot your teeth out now.
Ayan.
Okay, hon, go on.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and sign off for now and carry on with the Christmas festivities. So,
Okay.
on the count of 3, Merry Christmas. 1, 2, 3.
Merry
Christmas!
I forgot
All right.
Jam Jam.
She forgot Jam Jam. Jam Jam's got her toy.
Jam. Merry Christmas, baby.
Oh, there she goes. Merry Christmas, Jam.
Merry Christmas. Here, here.
She's gonna kill that thing. There it goes. Okay. All right, Merry Christmas, everyone. Take care. We love you all. Have a nice one, and we'll catch up with you soon. All right, bye-bye.